नित्यः सविता सूर्यः खगः भूषागभस्तिमान्।
Welcome to Patliputra Cement Works, a unit of Ultratech Cement Limited. Ultratech Cement Limited, a group company of Aditya Birla Group, is one among the top 10 cement producers in the world and largest in India.
Ultratech has 18 integrated plants, 25 grinding units and 7 bulk terminals with total annual capacity of 93 million tons cement production per annum.
This plant is located at Shahjahanpur in Patna at Bihar.
Patliputra Cement Works is a grinding unit and which was commissioned in March 2016. Unit has total capacity of 2 million ton cement production per annum. 3 varieties of cement is manufactured here. They are PPC, OPC and PSC.
The unit is eco-friendly with robust pollution control facilities
And is certified with ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OHSAS 18001 for quality, environment, health and safety, energy management and information security system respectively. As a model cement plant with a clear focus on safety, health and environment, quality and customer satisfaction, operational excellence, employee satisfaction, societal satisfaction. It is our prime responsibility to take care of all stakeholders and business associates, including visitors. Safety is paramount to all our operations. Like values, safety is a non-negotiable aspect of our operation. We firmly believe that all occupational injuries and illness can be prevented. We practice safety as a line responsibility.
All visitors are advised to follow the safety rules and practices while in plant for the benefit of their own safety as well as demonstrate to others. All visitors shall report first to security at main gate reception and give required details for making gate entry pass. Visitors shall wear the following minimum personal protective equipments like safety helmet, safety glasses, reflective jacket and safety shoes while visiting the plant. Other need-based PPEs like dust mask, earplug, hand gloves should be used as and when necessary. After making entry pass, you shall be given safety induction and issue required PPEs.
Let's explain you the various PPEs to be used and the right way of wearing them.
Reflective jacket should be worn like this and match the reflective strips.
This is safety helmet and it should be worn like this. And don't forget to put the chin strap.
This is safety shoes. It should be worn like this and ensure that lace is properly tied.
This is dust mask, should be worn like this and always to be put on in dusty areas.
Safety goggle should be clean before use and worn like this.
Earplug should be worn like this and use it in high noise area.
Hand gloves protects your palm and it should be worn like this.
हमारी कंपनी अल्ट्राटेक सीमेंट लिमिटेड 8 जीवन रक्षक नियम बनाई है। सबसे पहला नियम जो सभी कार्य के लिए परमिट अनिवार्य है। कार्य शुरू करने से पहले लोटोटो को सुनिश्चित करें। बिना अनुमति के किसी भी सुरक्षा उपकरणों के साथ छेड़छाड़ न करें। ऊंचाई के कार्य के लिए फॉल प्रोटेक्शन इक्विपमेंट का इस्तेमाल अवश्य करें। बिना अनुमति के कॉन्फाइंड स्पेस में प्रवेश वर्जित है। कभी भी हवा में झूलते हुए मटेरियल के नीचे से आप न गुजरें। बिना अनुमति के खुदाई का कार्य न करें और किसी भी तरह के नशा करके हमारे संयंत्र में आप न प्रवेश करें, न कार्यस्थल पर कोई कार्य करें।
Please follow the guidelines that shall protect or prevent you from various hazards. Don't wear loose clothing and follow shirt tucked in practices. While walking on plant roads, use pedestrian pathway made especially for the purpose.
Cross the road wherever zebra crossing is available. Be careful while crossing the railway tracks. If you are driving or traveling in a four-wheeler, always use seat belt. Do not use mobile phones while driving. Maintain the speed limit of 15 km per hour on plant roads. Park your vehicle in takeoff mode at designated areas only. There is a separate parking area for heavy vehicle or trucks. Visit only those areas for which you are given permission and accompany with the visiting department representative. If you are visiting in a group, then do not gossip and stand anywhere. To sit, to sleep and make fire in unauthorized places are prohibited. Don't move in unauthorized areas and interfere with plant's equipment, machines and installations. Do not stand close to rotating machines. Stay away from radiation area and inflammable places. While moving on stairways, always use handrail.
Make sure 3-point contact while using portable ladders. Don't bypass safety barricades.
Do not go near railway tracks. Don't underpass a halted wagon.
While working in heights, use full body harness with double lanyard. Always use scaffolding which are ready to use.
Please help us in good housekeeping practices to maintain plant neat and clean.
While visiting in plant, follow displayed safety instructions in work areas. In case of any emergency, contact at emergency contact number 7564904710.
In case of emergency, the siren will operate for 3 minutes with an interval of 8 seconds. When you hear emergency siren, assemble at emergency assembly point immediately. This emergency assembly points are located at near main gate, near admin building, near CCR building, near DG house and wagon tripler. At the time of emergency, please do not panic, stay calm and follow instructions given by company officials. Once the normalcy resumed, you hear a long siren for 3 minutes.
Make your entry and exit through the main gate only. While going back, please return your gate pass and PPEs to main gate security.
Please follow above safety guidelines for ensuring your safety and strengthen our core safety belief that life is precious. We care for it. Wish you happy and safe visit to our plant.
सुरक्षा हमारी प्राथमिकताओं में सर्वोच्च है। इससे हम कभी समझौता नहीं करते। ये हम अपने यहाँ आने वाले आगंतुक, अपने कर्मचारी और अपने संयंत्र तक ही सीमित नहीं रखते हैं, बल्कि आसपास के गांव और स्कूल एवं किसी भी तरह के आने वाले हर व्यक्ति से हम इसकी चर्चा करते रहते हैं। आने वाले आगंतुकों से इसीलिए हम ये उम्मीद करते हैं कि हमारे संयंत्र में सारे सुरक्षा के नियमों का पालन करेंगे और हमें शून्य दुर्घटना के लक्ष्य को प्राप्त करने के लिए सहयोग करेंगे। धन्यवाद।